Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this Siri shortcut called Guitar Chord Finder. So basically what you do, you tap on the shortcut, you enter any guitar chord you don't know how to play. Like for example, I want to learn how to play a C chord. I will tap C, tap done, and it comes up with a C chord. There's other variations on how to play a C chord, so you could just swipe through each one of them. Once I'm done, I can tap done, or I can tap the share icon so I can save the images. So now you know how it works. I'm going to teach you how to make the shortcut. So firstly, tap the plus button to create a new shortcut. Then search for ask for input. Tap ask for input, and the prompt can be enter a chord. Now get a URL action, tap on that, and enter this: https jguitar.com/chord search / provided input. Now get contents of web page action. Now get images action. Get images from input. Now get filter images. Add filter. Tap height. And is greater or equal to 200. Now get a width one. Width is greater than, change that to than or equal to 100. And now get a count images action to count items. Count items in images. Get an if action. If count is, and then put 0 as the number. Show alert. So you get a show alert action and put it right under the if statement and right above the otherwise statement. Now change, do you want to continue? Delete all that and change it to no diagrams could be found for the chord. Oops, not shortcut input. Magic variable. Top action provided input. And done. So it should look like this from the top to the bottom. Now get a quick look action. Put it right under otherwise. Change count to images. So magic variable, images. Now you can turn on full screen, yes or no, you can choose. I want to keep it off. Now tap my shortcuts, tap save shortcut, name it, and as usual, glyph and color. Let's go music icon. This one. Tap done, and the shortcut is made. Let's try it. enter a chord. I'm going to enter D sharp, tap done. Sometimes it will ask, Guitar Chord Finder would like to access gguitar.com. You have to tap OK for this shortcut to work. And boom, these are all the D chord variations. Perfect. Tap done. And that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn those notification bells on. Bye, and I'll see you next time.